If you're a travel enthusiast, then you can't miss a place as beautiful as this. The Northern Lights are not simply a natural phenomenon. They are a rare moment when the northern sky seems to awaken and speak. In the deep silence of lands near the Arctic Circle, where artificial light fades away, the night sky suddenly comes alive. Soft ribbons of light appear, flowing, drifting, constantly changing color. Sometimes they feel like gentle veils of mist. Other times, they surge like waves of glowing energy spreading across the heavens. And almost always, the reaction is the same: awe, followed by complete silence. Cameras are lowered, words disappear, and all that remains is a human being standing beneath a living sky. For centuries, the Northern Lights have been woven into mythology and belief. The Sami people saw them as the spirits of ancestors. The Vikings believed they were signs from the gods. And many northern cultures regarded them as a fragile boundary between the human world and the supernatural. Although modern science now explains how auroras are formed, standing beneath them still evokes something deeply primal and sacred. For this reason, chasing the Northern Lights is not simply a journey of travel, but a profoundly emotional and spiritual experience. Among the world's finest destinations for witnessing this phenomenon, Norway is often described as the grandest stage. Vast fjords stretch endlessly into the distance, flanked by towering, snow-covered cliffs, while dark, glassy waters lie silently below. When the aurora appears, its light reflects on the sea, creating the illusion of a doubled sky, where heaven and earth merge into one. Tromsø, deep within Arctic Norway, has become a global hub for aurora seekers. Though small, the city offers modern comforts while preserving exceptionally dark skies. From here, travelers quietly leave the city lights behind, venturing into frozen valleys, remote coastlines, and open plateaus, where only the wind, the crunch of snow underfoot, and the waiting sky remain. Further north and west, the Lofoten Islands and Senja offer an entirely different atmosphere. Small fishing villages with red wooden houses cling to the shoreline, dwarfed by jagged peaks and open seas. Above them, the aurora slowly drifts across the sky. In the biting cold of the Nordic winter, time seems to pause. In Norway, the Northern Lights are not only something to be seen, but something to be felt. Through the cold air on the skin, the vast silence of the landscape, and the stillness that settles within the mind. If Norway inspires grandeur, Iceland overwhelms with raw wilderness and contrast. This is a land where fire and ice coexist, where massive glaciers rest beside dormant volcanoes. When the northern lights illuminate Iceland's skies, they do more than add beauty. They reveal the land's untamed elemental nature. Just a short drive from Reykjavik, travelers can find themselves standing in snow-covered lava fields, surrounded by emptiness, where wind, ice, and sky dominate the senses. Landmarks such as Mount Kirkjufell, the black sand beaches of Vik, and the glacial lagoon of Jökulsárlón become almost otherworldly under the aurora's glow. Light reflects off drifting icebergs and frozen waters, forming constantly shifting patterns of color. What makes Iceland especially memorable is the combination of experiences: days spent exploring waterfalls, ice caves, and glaciers, nights devoted to aurora hunting, and moments of deep relaxation in natural hot springs. Immersed in warm geothermal water, while snow falls gently and the northern lights ripple overhead, travelers feel the powerful contrast between cold and warmth, motion and stillness, humanity and nature. Finland, in contrast, offers a softer, more tranquil expression of the northern lights. Here, the aurora is less dramatic, but more intimate, lingering gently across the sky. In Lapland, endless snow-covered forests and frozen lakes create an atmosphere of absolute calm. When night falls, the aurora appears like a whispered secret, slowly unfolding and fading away. Without towering cliffs or dramatic coastlines, the simplicity of the landscape allows the northern lights to feel closer, more personal, and deeply poetic. Finland is renowned for its glass igloos, where travelers can lie comfortably in warmth and silence while watching the aurora directly overhead. In Rovaniemi, the official home of Santa Claus, aurora hunting blends seamlessly with cultural discovery. Visitors can meet reindeer, learn about Sami traditions, ride sleds through snowy forests, and listen to Arctic folklore by a crackling fire. Here, the northern lights are not a spectacle demanding attention, but a natural presence woven gently into daily life. A journey to see the northern lights is always shaped by patience and uncertainty. Some nights are clouded over, others require hours of waiting in sub-zero temperatures. Yet this unpredictability is precisely what makes the moment of success so precious. As a guide, I often remind travelers to cherish the journey itself, because even without the aurora, the snow-covered landscapes, star-filled skies, crisp air, and profound silence of the Arctic are unforgettable on their own. Norway, and Iceland, and Finland each possess a distinct character, yet they share a remarkable ability to slow time and reconnect people with nature in its purest form. Standing beneath the northern lights, worries seem to dissolve, replaced by a sense of humility and peace. In that moment, one understands that they are merely a small part of a vast universe. And that is why for so many travelers, Witnessing the northern lights is not just a trip, but a memory that remains for a lifetime.